Welcome to Learn Kids Learn. Hey kids, let's learn some fruits names and their benefits for our body. So let's start. Cherry. 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 I'm small but packed with flavor. I'm red and juicy. Grapes. Hi there, I'm grapes. I'm small and tasty. Eating me helps improve your memory and keep your heart healthy. Watermelon. Hey, I'm watermelon. I'm juicy and refreshing. Eating me helps keep you hydrated and gives you lots of vitamin A and C. Peach. Hi there, I'm peach. I'm soft and sweet. Eating me helps improve your digestion. Apricot. 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 I'm an apricot. I'm soft and velvety. Eating me helps improve your vision. Kiwi. Kiwi. Hello, I'm a kiwi. I'm fuzzy and tangy. Eating me helps improve your digestion and keeps your skin healthy. Guava. Guava. Hi there, I'm a guava. I'm sweet and tropical. Blackberry. Blackberry. Hello, I am blackberry. I'm juicy and rich in flavor. Eating me helps improve your brain function. Cranberry. Cranberry. Eating me helps prevent urinary tract infection. Thanks for watching.